Hi students, welcome to my channel The Aims. Hope you all are fine and practicing English grammar every day. To make your English strong, you should practice English grammar. Here I give you an advice or opinion. Using should in this sentence, you should practice English grammar. I give you an advice or opinion, right? So, should can be used to give an advice or opinion. Should is such a modal verb which has different meanings and different uses. Okay. So today in this class I am going to discuss how to use should in different ways. So let's see the uses of should. Okay. See, here is a conversation between Mary and Alina, right? See Mary's speech. Mary says, "My baby is feeling sick. What should I do?" Okay. So here Mary used should in a question form, right? Should is used in a question form asking for an advice or opinion. Here Mary is asking for an advice or opinion. My baby is feeling sick. What should I do? Okay. So should can be used in a question form asking for an advice or opinion, right? Now see Alina's speech. Alina says, "You should go to a doctor with your baby." Okay. So here Alina use should to give an advice or opinion to Mary, right? So should is used to give an advice or opinion, or you can say it as suggestion. You should go to a doctor with your baby. Okay. You can say it as suggestion or advice or opinion. Okay. Because advice, opinion and suggestion are very similar and they often mean the same thing. Okay. So you can say it as suggestion or advice or opinion. So we have seen that should is used to give an advice or opinion or suggestion, and also should is used in a question form asking for an advice or opinion, right? Okay. Now see the next part of Alina's speech. Alina says, "You should go to the Dr. Shivnath Sarkar. He is one of the best child specialists." Okay. So here Alina used should for recommendation. Alina says, "You should go to the Dr. Shivnath Sarkar." So here Alina mentioned one particular doctor's name, Dr. Shivnath Sarkar. So it's a recommendation. Here Alina recommends one doctor's name, one particular doctor, the Dr. Shivnath Sarkar, right? So here should is used for recommendation. Okay. So through this conversation we have seen that should is used to give an advice or opinion or suggestion, and should is also used to give a recommendation, right? And should can be used in a question form asking for an advice or opinion, right? Okay. Okay. Now see the another usage of should. Okay. For expectation or probability, how to use should. So here is a conversation between Marlo and Lisa. Okay. Marlo says, Where is Jane? He is too late." Okay. Suppose there is a meeting and so Marlo they are waiting for Jane. Okay. So Marlo says, "Where is Jane? He is too late." Okay. And then Lisa replies, he should be here by now. He left home at 9 o'clock. Okay. Lisa says, "He should be here by now. He left home at 9 o'clock. Okay. So here Lisa used should for an expectation or probability. Okay. As Jane left home at 9 o'clock, so he should be here by now. So it's an expectation or probability. Okay. Here it's very probable. The situation is very probable, and here the chance is more than 50%. Okay. So to show such an expectation or highly probable situation, should can be used. Clear? Okay. Now see for obligation or duty how to use should. See, for example, You should obey your teacher. Okay, so it's your duty. Okay, that you should obey your teacher. Okay, so to show such responsibility or duty, we use should. Now see the next example. You should be punctual at work, or we should be punctual at work. So it's our duty. It's our responsibility that we should be punctual at work. Okay. So to show such obligation or duty or responsibility, should is used. Okay. So you see that in all of these uses, you see that should is used to express what you think is the best thing or the ideal thing to do, right? So basically should is used to show what is the proper thing or the best thing to do, okay, or to say that someone ought to do something or must do something. Okay, clear? So these are the uses of should we have learned. Hope you enjoy my class. If you are enjoying my class, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Thank you.